Hey, what's up, George's Peaches? So, I've really been liking these speed drawing videos. Let me know in the comments if you'd like them too. So today, I'll be drawing a picture of Tweety Bird. So, let's get started.
Glitter it up from the back to the front. Never giving up each day. Rock it, never stop it. Living each day our own way.
So here's the final picture. So, if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up, comment down below, any other video suggestions you'd like to see me do. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.
When I was little, I was dreaming at night, but one day I was awakened from my nightmares. Now that I'm grown, I'm thinking this sweet me that I can share my dreams to reality. So listen up to me, and never give up on your dreams, because you can be whoever you wish to be.